I just came outside because proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And he speaks about Sarah, Eva, and Oxley. That's my children's mother, my daughter, and my son. And then I came out and it's right there. Oh, there you go. Isn't this fun? So that is the truth. Oh my gosh. And it's staying here. So, hi. And I just had also said aloud, about to Sarah out loud, Sarah, we just need to go on a vacation, then we come back, we will be on the stage and down, do our thing. And then the song came on, the shuffle first one. And as I walked, I was singing this and looked up, and there it was. So, oh, and there's a 2021 Pilot right there. Yay, all of them that fly are 2021 Pilots. So.